Hi, my name is Colin, and I've been building and designing mattresses for about 10 years. We believe that we have superior designs and build mattresses the way that we think they should be built. And that is a mattress that has flippable, rotatable components, that has it so that you have the ability to change comfort levels as your body changes over time. Couples can have their own preferences because everyone's not the same size, shape, or like the same firmness levels. So our models allow people to really customize the right feel, but the better thing is they get better longevity out of their mattress. They can really adjust it so they can make different firmness levels for any part of their body that needs more support or more comfort. And we're just going to build one of these mattresses and just show you how flexible the design is.
Sounds right.
In this case, we're building a king mattress. This cover's got a bit more of a plush quilting on it, but we also have all natural organics that are quilted to wool, along with some stretch knit fabrics that are also quilted to wool. So we have a variety of different firmness levels for even the top quilting level of the actual cover.
Sounds right.
In this particular case, you'll notice that the shoulder and the feet pieces are bigger than the lumbar area. This is in case you need to isolate the hip area and provide more support there. There's no reason that these components can't move around though if needed.
Sounds right.
Also, you'll notice that there's some different colors. These are the different foams. They come in different firmness levels. We have everything from soft to medium to firm to extra firm. So again, we can really customize the shoulders, the lumbar support, or the foot area depending on what people's needs are. And basically in this particular case, we're using 4 inches of high resiliency foam on the bottom, 4 inches in the middle, and we're gonna put a topper on the top. These different components, because of the way the covers have enough friction on them, and our outer cover is nice and tight, they don't shift around, they don't move. And the top sheet, you'll see at the very end, encapsulates everything.
Sounds right.
For this particular model, we're using Talalay Latex. It's going to overlay and over top of these components. Although this mattress is split in the middle, once the cover is over top, you won't be able to feel that gap or anything. There'll be no issues there.
Sounds right. Sounds right.
And just like that, we got a king-size mattress ready to be used. If anything needs to be changed, it's a simple phone call to us and we can get that comfort change or preference made for you. If anything ever breaks down in the future, you just buy a new piece. You're not buying a new mattress.